Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be making sofritas. Cue the music. Alright, well, welcome back. I appreciate you being here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and then share this video with everybody you know. Like I said, we're going to be making sofritas. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We've got 1 block of firm tofu that we have drained and pressed, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 small onion chopped up, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 bell pepper chopped, 1 chipotle pepper in adobo sauce, 1 tablespoon of the adobo sauce, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and then 1 tablespoon of soy sauce that we're going to be using to finish this up. Alright, you will find the recipe link for this down in the description box. That link will take you right to my website, itsonlyfood.biz, where you're going to find a ton of other recipes. Hope you give it a try, check it out. Alright, we've got our tofu, as you can see right here. I've got it in the old press, so I'm just going to undo the top here so we can see. This press is on my Amazon store. In the link down below in the description box, you'll be able to see that. So I'm going to take that off there and just lift the tofu right out of all the water. I'm just going to set it right there. That's all the liquid that comes out of that tofu. So anyway, what you want to do is you want to take your tofu. I'm going to put some gloves on here. Don't want to get my hands dirty and then handling all this equipment with the cameras. So 2 gloves. Then you just want to take your tofu and crumble it up. I'm going to put it into a bowl. Different sizes, doesn't have to be tiny crumbles. Can be big or little. I kind of want it to look like taco meat, you know, when you're done with it. Cooked taco meat. So just crumbling it all up. So there's our crumbled tofu. We have got the other ingredients over here, our peppers, onions, all the sauces and seasonings. We are going to head over to the stove. Let's start making this up. Alright, so we got our mise en place behind us with all the aromatics, the tofu, the sauces, and the seasonings. We've got our pan right here. Let's focus in on our pan. Turn your heat on to a medium high. We're going to add our oil. Alright, we got our hot pan here. I'm going to turn the heat down, medium high. Throw in our onions and our peppers. We're going to let this cook down. We're going to saute these until they're soft and translucent. About 8 minutes. Alright. So it's starting to really cook now. I'm going to add a little salt and pepper into this. Stir it up. Take our garlic, throw that in there. Stir it up till it's get aromatic. About 30 seconds. Alright, now we're going to take our tofu that we crumbled up. We're going to stir this in. Oh, that smells good. Our herbs that we did, the paprika, the oregano. Here's our chipotle pepper, our chipotle sauce, and we'll stir this up. I'm going to add a touch more chipotle sauce into this, just to give a little more body, juice. Let me add our soy sauce in there. just want to cook it down, get it hot throughout, and put the lid on there to help out. All right, let's see what this looks like. I gotta tell you, this smells really good. Oh yeah. We're gonna plate this up now, make it look pretty, throw some pictures in the timeline with some really good music. We're gonna come back, give this a taste, talk more about it. Don't go anywhere. Nothing more that I enjoy than taking photographs of beautiful food. So this smells incredible, looks incredible. I hope you can enjoy it just like I do, because I did say the recipe is in the description box down there. Go to that link and get this recipe. This is fantastic. You can see that right there. Got with a little bit of yogurt, some cilantro, and a little bit of sriracha. Wow. Just wow. The flavor is everywhere. A little bit of heat, smooth texture, very good grounding, like the cumin in there, and the soy sauce gives it a nice little umami. You don't even know it's tofu. The name is derived from the use of the garlic, the onion, and the peppers in there, like a sofrita, which is like a mirepoix that we use here in America, or the French came up with. But this is incredible, cooked down, got the tofu in there. You don't need to go to Chipotle to get this, make your own. All right, like I stated earlier in the video, we do have a website, it's onlyfood.biz. You will find a ton of recipes on that website, where you will also find my seasoning shop, which has my handmade gourmet seasonings that I've come up with. Got about 20 of them on there. But don't forget to check that out. It's onlyfood.biz. It's onlyfood.biz. It's onlyfood.biz. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.